Do you buy a landlord insurance policy or a homeowner policy for a rental property? So if you own a rental property that you're not living in, you're gonna need to get a landlord insurance. One of the major things that the landlord insurance covers that a homeowner's insurance doesn't cover is loss of rent. And a lot of people get this confused, but loss of rent on the landlord insurance doesn't mean that if a tenant doesn't pay their rent that they'll cover it. But it can cover losses of rent in certain situations. For example, if a tree falls and hits your property during a storm, or if there's a massive storm and your pipe bursts and there's flooding in your property, these are certain scenarios that you can actually claim a loss of rental income. Just keep in mind, just like any other insurance, you're gonna have to keep deductibles in mind. And usually there's maximums on how much they're willing to pay on the loss of rental income, depending on what policy you signed for in the beginning. Now with a homeowner's insurance, you actually have to live in the property, but you could technically rent out rooms and you can have tenants for that and still have a homeowner's insurance. But if you want to protect yourself from damages that a tenant might cause on your personal property, you might want to look into the homeowner's insurance and make sure that these